Hi, I'm Dwayne from Euromotive Performance. Today we are in the shop and we have something pretty special for you guys. Behind me I have a 2020 Toyota Supra MKV that we just finished fitting with our Stage 2 power package, including a Stage 2 DME tune. In front of me I have 3 different downpipes. In the middle here in front of me we have an OEM downpipe. To the left of me we have our Euromotive Performance catless downpipe, and to the right of me have another downpipe for the Supra a lot of other manufacturers are producing and branding. We have been getting a lot of questions on why our catless downpipe design is so different from the other manufacturers, and today we will explain why our downpipe is the best choice in the market right now. First off, here we have the OEM original catted downpipe. There's 400 cell catalyst converter inside, designed to reduce the emissions of the exhaust. Downside of having this catalyst converter is reduced performance from the turbocharger. One of the very first modifications that the performance community does to improve performance is to install a fully catless or free-flowing downpipe, allowing more airflow and faster turbo spool. That's where our downpipe comes in, where we have designed our catless downpipe to maximize the performance you can get from the Supra. As you can see, we have a full 4.5-inch flange to a 4.5-inch pipe, going all the way down to a 4-inch flex pipe, and then reducing to a 3-inch pipe. Our design ensures that you get the maximum exhaust airflow, allowing the turbo to spool quicker. We also designed our catless downpipe to have reduced turbo lag and better free flow through the entire exhaust system. We have a very gradual step down, allowing for a faster acceleration while still maintaining drag pressure for top end. Now we have right here a catless downpipe design that a lot of other manufacturers are producing and branding. We have a couple of different things that we don't like about this downpipe. The very first thing that this downpipe has a 4.5-inch flange, but immediately step down to a 4-inch pipe right here, then down to a 3-inch flex pipe and end pipe. This design has a very quick step down and definitely doesn't allow for the quickest turbo spool. You can clearly see this design is much smaller than the OEM design. Now that you have seen the difference in each pipe, we are proudly to say that our design is going to be the best catless downpipe you can get for maximum performance. Feel free to contact us directly for any questions you might have, and drop us a comment for what you want to see next. Thanks for watching, everyone. Please subscribe to see more content from us, and don't forget to like and share. See you later.